The day would turn out to be mostly a pickerel day, but I did catch some bass. I started out with a short-lived and not very productive attempt at catching some aggressive fish shallow. Before I knew it, though, I was out on the deep edge of the weeds casting a drop shot rig for bass. Here's a non-scorable. After losing a couple of drop shot rigs and retying too many times, I switched over to a grub on a 1/8 ounce jig head. My first cast with the grub got hammered before it sank 8 feet, and I caught a quality bass, but before long, that grub was catching pickerel and getting me bid off, just like just about everything else I tried. My fortunes changed when I approached a spot that I like to fish shallow and moved in to pitch an Osmo creature bait in 2 feet or less of water. My first pitch produced what would turn out to be the biggest fish of the day. Again, not all that big, maybe 3.5 pounds. But it was a good fish and I wasn't catching pickerel. I proceeded to fish shallow for the next half hour and caught a bunch of very small bass, very, very small bass. When I approached another good shallow water area, I went right back to the bank with my Osmo, and again I caught a few semi-decent bass before running out of targets and heading back out to the depths and the toothy critters.